Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a trading strategy that I've been developing and optimizing tirelessly. This strategy combines two simple moving averages with a unique twist. I've fine-tuned their periods to 50 high and 50 low. What does this mean? Well, we've got two moving average lines that create a corridor, based on the highest and lowest 50 bars of the past. But that's not all. To supercharge our trading strategy and gain confirmation for trade entries, I've integrated the volume analysis indicator into our chart. With this approach, we've unlocked the potential to reach remarkable profit levels. And guess what? I'm not keeping all this goodness to myself. I'm sharing it with you right now. Now, here comes the exciting part. If you find value in this strategy, if you're eager to enhance your trading game, then I encourage you to do a couple of things for us. Hit that subscribe button and join our trading community. Smash that like button to show your appreciation for the hard work I've put into perfecting this strategy. And don't forget to drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you might have. And hey, if you want to be the first to know about our latest trading insights, don't forget to turn on notifications. We're all about helping each other grow and succeed in the trading world. So, let's dive into this strategy together, explore the exciting world of trading, and make those winning trades. As you can see on the screen, a red-colored bearish candle closed by crossing below both of the moving average lines. Secondly, from the nearest clear lower-level candlestick, we draw a trend line that touches the low of the bar that crossed below the moving average lines. Subsequently, we need to confirm the downward break of the trend line, along with the formation of a yellow or red column in the volume analysis indicator. Due to its robust nature, I've set the initial target at a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. Of course, everyone can determine their reward levels based on their own preferences, such as 1-to-1.5, 1-to-2, or 1-to-3. Given that the strategy revolves around entering a developing trend, aiming for high profit ratios is possible. However, remember to adjust the stop-loss level to the entry point once you reach your defined initial target. As you can see on the screen, a white-colored bullish candle closed by crossing above both of the moving average lines. Secondly, from the nearest clear higher-level candlestick, we draw a trend line that touches the high of the bar that crossed above the moving average lines. Subsequently, we need to confirm the upward break of the trend line, along with the formation of a white or blue column in the volume analysis indicator. Here's another successful trade that reached the 1-to-2 target ratio. As you can see, after reaching the 1-to-2 ratio, the price continued to move upward. Please pay close attention to the short position example I'm about to show you. I'll be addressing a very important detail. Here, you can see a very small red candlestick that closed by crossing below both of the moving average lines. Due to the small size of this candlestick's body and the fact that the volume analysis indicator does not show a yellow or red column, we do not consider the breakout movement of this candlestick as valid. And following the next two candlesticks, we observe another red bearish candlestick that is confirmed by the volume analysis indicator. Please keep in mind that after an unconfirmed breakout movement, it's necessary to wait for a maximum of 3 candlesticks. If the volume analysis indicator does not provide confirmation during these bars as well, the trade expectation becomes invalidated. And from the nearest clear lower level candlestick that confirms, we draw a trend line that touches the low of the confirmed candlestick. After 28 bars following the trendline break, along with a large red-bodied candle, the volume analysis indicator lit up a red-colored ultra-volume column. Now, we can consider that the conditions for a short position have been met. Once again, we're witnessing a fantastic trade outcome. A wonderful strategy with remarkable results. And now, in an example of a long position, I'm going to intentionally violate a strategy rule with a very small detail. I kindly request viewers who can spot this violation to write it in the comments section. This way, I can learn how clearly I've explained the strategy or how accurately you've understood it. I'm presenting each step on the screen one by one. Please watch attentively.